Hi, welcome to Jiva Yoga Life. It's Clemy. In today's video, I prepared a short 10-minute prenatal yoga stretches. Hope you enjoy. Would you like to discover new yoga flows and healthy recipes? Subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Hi mamas! Okay, so today I have for you a little 10-minute prenatal stretch. So you can do it anytime, anywhere. You just need 10 minutes, a mat, a blanket. It's optional, but it can help you to be more comfortable in some poses. So yeah, let's get to it. So we're gonna start with one of the best positions that exist in yoga, child's pose. We're gonna open the knees wide and walk the hands in front. Just make sure you have enough space for your belly because you just want your baby to have some room. And here, resting your forehead on the floor. Letting your shoulders relax. Your hip relax. And take a deep breath all the way into the back. Letting go all the tensions. On the next inhale, we're gonna walk the hands back, come to tabletop positions, closing a bit the knees. And from here, we're moving into puppy pose. So we're keeping the hips above the knees and we're gonna start walking the hands forward, allowing the chest to go towards the floor. Here again, resting either your forehead or your chin on the mat. And you have nothing to do here but take deep, deep breath. Relaxing the shoulders. Relaxing the jaws, relaxing all the tensions. And slowly coming back. Okay, from here we're gonna go into pigeon pose. So you're gonna bring your right knee close to your right hand and extend the leg back. And here you may want to use the blanket and maybe place it underneath your right hip so you have more space. And in this posture, we're gonna just stay here. Make sure that your back leg is in line with your hip. And try to square the hips to the front. Nice breathing here. This is a really good hip opening. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaws. And on the next inhale, we're gonna come out of the position and we're gonna switch side. So bringing the left knee close to the left hand, opening the left knee close to the right hand, and extending the back leg. Once again, if you feel like, you can put a blanket under your front hip and raise your spine, raise your body up, square your hips to the front, and just take a couple of deep breaths here. enjoying this very good stretching sensation. One more breath. And exhaling, getting out of the position, pushing the blanket aside, back to tabletop. Okay, from here we're gonna place the right foot in between the hands. Tucking the left toe, we're gonna come up to a high lunge. On the exhale, we're gonna open the arms to the side, cactus arms. Breathe deeply and bend into the front knee. Allow the hips to sink. Inhaling all the way up. We're gonna turn with the feet parallel, placing the hands on your hips, inhaling and exhaling, placing the hands either in front of you or in between your feet. And just allowing your body to move forward. Breath here. Inhaling back up. We're going to turn so that the left foot is to the front, is facing the front. Inhaling up. Reaching the arms high and opening the arms. Pressing the chest forward, engaging the butt, pressing into the front knee. And getting out of the position, back to tabletop. And we're gonna find an easy sit. You can put the blanket underneath your hips if it feels more comfortable. We're gonna place the left hand on the mat and inhale, raise the right arm above, turning the chest towards the ceiling. Deep breath here. You can even let the elbow rest on the floor if you wanna go deeper. Next inhale, coming out and switching side. Right hand on the floor, extending the left arm above head. Maybe going down onto your elbow. Deep breath here, turning the chest up. And coming back. Getting out of the position. Back to the tabletop. We're gonna tuck the toes and walk both hands to the side of the mat for a Malasana squat. Here you can open your elbows to the side. The elbows are pushing out. The chest is opening. If your heels are not touching and this pose feels uncomfortable, you can always put the blankets underneath your heels. Deep breath here. And getting out. For the next pose, you're gonna need a wall. So get yourself close to a wall, and we're gonna sit parallel to the wall first. Then we're gonna move to the side, the hips staying close to the wall, and roll onto our back. If you're far along into pregnancy, you may want to put a blanket underneath your hips so that your hips are supported. We're extending the legs, and we're allowing the body to fully relax. This is our last pose. Take long, deep breath, feeling the pull of gravity on your legs. They might start to feel lighter. Relaxing the tensions in your jaws, your forehead, your shoulders. All is good right now. Deep breath in. Deep breath out with a sigh. Another deep breath in. Last one, deep breath in. And slowly, we're going to bend back the legs and roll into the sides, pushing with our hands to find a sitting position. That was it. 10 little minutes to stretch and feel better. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Namaste.